Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Illustrator to create a professional logo. First, open Adobe Illustrator, the industry standard software for crafting scalable vector graphics. Create a new document, ensuring your canvas size is at least 1000 by 1000 pixels for high-resolution output. Understanding vector graphics is key, as they allow your logo to be resized infinitely without any loss of quality. Familiarize yourself with the workspace, especially the Tools panel and the Properties panel, as these will be your primary companions. Now, let's dive into the essential design principles that form the foundation of a great logo. Begin by selecting a cohesive color palette, ideally comprising 3 to 5 colors that truly reflect your brand's unique personality. Next, choose 2 complementary fonts, one for headings and another for body text, ensuring clear readability. Utilize basic geometric shapes like circles, squares, and triangles as fundamental building blocks. Always strive to maintain balance and proportion in your design, creating a visually appealing and harmonious composition that resonates with your audience. With your design principles in mind, let's explore the powerful tools within Illustrator. Master the pen tool to create precise curves and custom shapes, giving your logo a unique edge. Employ the versatile Shape Builder tool to effortlessly combine, subtract, or intersect multiple shapes, streamlining your workflow. Experiment with the Pathfinder panel to unite, minus front, or divide objects, offering incredible flexibility. Apply gradients and strokes to add depth and visual interest, making your logo truly pop and stand out. Finally, it's time to refine and export your masterpiece. Review your logo at various sizes, from small icons to large banners, ensuring its versatility across all platforms. Gather feedback from at least 2 trusted sources. Fresh perspectives are invaluable for spotting areas for improvement. Save your final logo in multiple essential formats, including SVG for web use and EPS for high-quality print applications. Always ensure your logo is exported with a transparent background, allowing for flexible usage across different mediums.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.